Hi, I'm from STEMup4Youth, and I'm excited to show you how to use the materials in your bag to create a straw airplane. This experiment will take 5 minutes, and by the end of the experiment, you will have your very own straw airplane. Feel free to decorate the front of your index card with crayons, markers, or colored pencils. Once you've done that, we're ready to start our experiment. In your bag, you should have one index card and one paper straw. You will also need scissors and tape to complete this experiment. So the first step of the experiment is cutting your index card into 3 equal vertical pieces. Each vertical piece should be about 3 lines long on the index card.
Next, you're going to get one of the strips of your index card and tape the 2 ends together to create a ring shape like this. With the remaining 2 pieces, you're going to connect the 2 strips to make a longer vertical piece by taping one end together. Then, grab each end of the long vertical strip and tape them together to create one larger ring. You should have one small ring and one big ring.
The final step of your straw airplane is to tape the 2 rings you just made to each end of the straw. They should both be facing up, the smaller end on one side and the bigger end on the other side. Now you're done with the straw airplane. Try experimenting with the rings and the straw. If you want to see the different ways that it can fly, try moving your larger hoop to the middle or your smaller hoop to the middle, or try experimenting with different straw lengths. But why does this work? Well, there's 4 forces at play with your straw airplane. One of those being thrust. When you push the airplane with your hand like this and throw it, you're generating enough thrust to push the plane forward into the air. Drag is the force that acts in opposition to the thrust. The thrust moves it forward, while the drag from the air pushes it back where it came from. It slows it down. The other force at play is lift. When air enters it, when you push it, the lift keeps it up in the air. The last force is gravity. Gravity actually pulls it down. So when you're pushing it, the thrust pushes it forward, and as it keeps going, the drag gets stronger and pushes it back, and the gravity pulls it down as the lift gets weaker. That's it for our straw airplane. If you want to be featured on our website or Instagram, feel free to send pictures to shhs.stemup4youth@gmail.com. Check up on our website for more information on our monthly STEM kits, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about the straw airplane. Here it goes. Thank you.